True or false? Certain smells can actually help enhance your productivity. True? Well, this is actually true. Smells like peppermint actually increase and make you more aware of what's going on and actually do increase your productivity. And a company in Japan have actually implemented this and actually have certain smells that they use throughout their day in order to increase their productivity throughout the day. So the reason that we need to know about different smells that are around us is because they affect us emotionally and they affect us mentally. And also, you should know that you should know what smells you are surrounded by. That way, that you can choose which ones that you need to surround yourself with that will increase your level of productivity and increase your emotions and make them more positive. For the past 3 years, I have been working for a company called Scentsy Candles. We have over 80 scents a season. So I'm surrounded by stuff that smells quite often. And then last summer, I was able to take a workshop based on the smells and how they react to each other. Everyone should have a basic understanding of of different smells. I will speak first on fragrance categories, and then I will go on to explain the different fragrant notes that are in with each fragrance. First of all, okay, according to the Fragrance Foundation, there are 6 main fragrant categories. There are also several subcategories, but we're going to focus on 6 because of time constraint. First, there is floral, and floral is based on different combination of flower scents that have one or more type of flowers, and this is the most universally known. In most people in different countries use floral fragrances, and the great thing about floral fragrances is that they can be combined with any other scent and usually will smell quite nice. The second is green, and the greens are more of your natural based scents, and they're often combined with fruity and floral cells to make a complete scent. Next we have citrus, and the citrus is your are your more lemony and orange smells, and these will dissipate the quickest, but they also combine well with other scents, and they give them a little boost. Next we have the flowery aldhydic, and these ones give a fragrance. These ones give the fragrance a little boost. It usually consists of some flowery substance. And then we have the single floral, which is based on just one single flower, such as rose and jasmine. And then we have the oriental, and these are more of your musks and your woodsy type of smells. Vanilla is in this category. They usually consist of more exotic scents. And then the Chypre is based on a woody, mossy, and flowery combination. And this scents like patchouli and bergamot. Next, we are going to talk about the fragrance notes. Now, the top note is the first impression you have of the scent. It usually is described as sharp and fresh, and it is usually made out of small molecules that evaporate more quickly. Next, we have the middle note of the scent, and this is present after the top note evaporates. It usually starts showing up about 30 minutes after the first initial top note starts to disappear. It's usually more mellow, and it's usually considered the heart of the scent. Last, we have the base note, and this appears after the top note and the middle note evaporates. This usually happens about after you've had this initial smell. and it usually gives a boost to the top note and the middle notes, and it's made out of the heavy molecules that don't disappear quite as much. All right. In conclusion, we have talked about six different fragrance categories, and talked a little bit so you have more of a general knowledge of what that is. And we have also talked about the fragrance notes, and I hope this helps you better understand of what different kind of fragrance categories there are, so that you might be able to figure out which ones work best for you.